job ice cream in the park today? Good morning mga kasika. Bilisan ko kay baka dumaan yung minsan pa man napapaaga yan yung daan ng bus. Pero hindi pa yata dumaan kasi nandyan pa may babae pa nag-aantay. Minsan mapapaaga yung daan nila lalo pag hindi traffic. Maliit lang yan pag may pasok sa school kasi dumadaan sila sa mga schools din. Alam yun na nata-traffic. Ayan. How many days?
10.
10 days?
Tomorrow is going to be 9 days.
Oh my goodness. Huh? Oh. Ito na tayo mga kachika. 1:35 na ng hapon. Natapos ako ng 1:30. Ano nga ako sa work? Hindi lang akong ano kanina. Bisan. Kasi nakaganyan na ako kaya na kasi meron ako nito sa work eh. Iniwan ko. Ha? Yeah, I got t-shirt.
Mama, I just fell the bed. I fell at the bed.
Did you?
Yeah, yesterday. I just fell at the bed.
Oh my goodness. So you're moving around so much in the bed.
Yeah,
All
I'm
over the
moving
place.
around. Lisa.
Yeah.
I just was Mai or Lisa. Mama, I
Both.
just fell at the bed.
Oh my, I knew it.
And I just moved. And I just squashed.
Oh my.
I just moved it so much. Now you're like,
Nagtaka ako kaya ang ingay-ingay man. Sus, nagpa-washing pala siya mga kachika. Naglaba pala. Sabi ko, ba't ka naglaba? Hindi ka naman talaga usually naglalaba. Ayun, nasa mood daw siya maglaba ngayon. Minute din kasi, hindi maganda yung weather kanina. Tapos ngayon, minute lang. Yan yung nilabahan ko gabi. Sinampay niya. Kaunti lang yan. Tapos, yan, nag-washing ulit siya. Nagbabad pa naman ako niya last night kasi ano ko yan sa aking mga halaman sa labas. It's a bit slow. Hindi na. No, put it back within that one. Put it back, please.
I think I saw Holly. Ruby's.
Pag nalagay ko sila dito kasi huhugasan ko to sila para mag-drain ba dito ba. Next time magluluto na mag-roast dinner kami kasi noong Tuesday napunta kami ng Lidl, diba? Nakabili kami ng pang roast beef. Laki na mangga. Magkain na namang mangga kasi meron akong bagoong green apple. Dalawa lang itong binili niya. So, isa lang yung anuhan ko muna. Yung huhugasan ba. Hindi ito masisira kasi may mga butas-butas na may mga kapita. Ipamugasan ko ito. Ito, kailangan ko sila sa container. What you doing in there?
You're playing.
Playing? I heard Alisa been singing.
You're just playing a play. Say the Barbies, all of the dolls, kids. You're making a play. I was saying the kids playing with kids and Lisa's toys are playing.
Okay.
Stitch. Lilo and Stitch.
Yeah, only 2. May tubig kasi yan dyan. Papaniguruan daw nila si Barbie nila.
Okay, let's go down the slide. No one. Whee! Mommy! Seriously, okay, let's go down there. Yeah.
Ready ko lang itong mga kachika. Kaya ito, niready na ito ni Mr. Nandito na yung thyme, garlic, tsaka butter. So, tinuruan niya lang ako na ilagay ko na lang daw to. Yung potato. Kailangan drain na drain yung potatoes. Tapos, ihalo-halo. Kanya natin. Ganyan. Tapos, ilagay ko sa oven. Na? Lina? Yeah. Okay.
Huh? Nice. Try some. Horseradish. Horseradish. Want to try some?
No.
Come on, it's
It
nice.
looks like milk. It looks a bit like milk.
Exactly.
What's that? So I know how to make this. They kill the horse,
Yeah.
put milk,
Yeah.
put kill and then cook it
Lisang!
Russian pudding and potatoes and horseradish.
What's that? A horse. Okay.
Oh, my drink is not cold.
Oh, I'm good.
Is enough? Stop ba?
It smells like banana right here. Want the water?
Water? Okay, get water na living room.
I want to.
Alisa's water as well. Sige na, sige na.
Can you sit down, Jenny, today, or?
Yeah, we're going to. I think I'm gonna have rice.
Right?
So good, so good daddy ko. Lisa mo. Crispy. Wow, so good din.
Potatoes.
Ang ganda ng pagka...
Yeah, give me the
ano
nice
ko?
one. Yeah, yeah.
Ang ganda ng pagka roast po sa potatoes.
Very good.
Crispy. Wow.
Almost good. Potatoes, eh? Oh yeah, they're good. Nice and crispy on the outside. Soft in the middle. Bloody hot.
Hindi na. Crispy.
The next day.
Okay, girls.
Yeah.
Beautiful girls.
Yeah.
Okay, Daddy. That's good. You didn't play with the water?
No.
Okay, Lisa?
Yeah.
Yeah? You got your bag? What's inside your bag? Your bag, it needs
I'll
washing.
choose one.
Give me the rubbish plate.
It's getting better.
Is it?
Yeah. I'll grab Pinky.
Dito pala kami sa Halfords mga kachika kasi may dinaanan may ano ba, binili si Mr. para sa sasakyan. Pero dito na si Mr. nakabalik na. Treatment pala daw yun sa fuel daw yung binili niya. Treatment ba? Kaya ano na naman yung light dito sa yung sasakyan ba? Magla-light yan siya. It means na may something. I said you go treatment for fuel. Oil. Fuel.
I guess. I got shoes.
What you call that?
It's made me a princess.
It's too hard for that.
Yes.
No, it's there.
What?
There. There.
Is it?
Yeah, it's not the car.
Oh, that's squeaky.
I got this.
Dito tayo mga kachika kay. Kunin ko yung charger. Parang nag-iba na yung ano ng phone ko ngayon ba? Parang ano na siya. Dito na pala. Ito. Sobrang haba nito oh. Mga 3 meter. Nabili ko to sa ano sa Tiki Max. Ayaw kasi mag-charge ng iPad ni Alina sa baba. Kanina pa daw to china-charge. Kanina pa daw to china-charge ni Mr. Ayaw daw mag-charge. Kaya sabi ko ilipat natin doon sa ano sa taas kasi it happened before na ano ba, hindi nag-charge sa isang charger. Tapos pinalitan lang ng charger, nag-charge naman siya. Okay, what are you eating now? Go downstairs. You're not going to eat up here. Antayin lang natin saglit. Matagal na to mga kachika. iPad na to ni Alina. Palit-palitan lang namin siya ng case. Basta matagal na to. Ano to yung, ito yung regalo ni Mr. nung unang pagpunta dito ni Alina. Na yung, ano ba? Kasi sa Pinas ko siya pinanganak, diba? Una naming pagpunta dito, nag-stay kami dito ng 6 months. Tapos umuwi ka ng Pinas. And then, ito yung binili ni Mr. Alina noong first birthday niya. So, ano na to, 7 years na to. Kasi first birthday niya to na gift kay Alina. Tumunog man siya. Ang ginarge ko. What is that? Ice cream time! Ooh. Did you have ice cream in the park today? No? Okay. Alisa eating is that's the fresh orange juice we make, Bino. Is it the one? Don't make a mess. That's very nice.
I'm just gonna color in and color all of the background.
Okay, that's good. I think it's good enough like that. It's nice. Then we're gonna put that in your bedroom. Alisa, she got one?
Yeah.
Did she do writing as well?
No, she just drawing in the back. Interest drawing.
It's very good, Lina. Tagal na namin to binili. Ating binili pa namin to last year. Nung nagpunta kami sa Pengton. Tapos tinago ko lang yan siya kasi yung iba lang yung binigay ko sa mga bata. Tapos nakita nila doon sa my wardrobe. Canvas. Where is yours, ha? Why your pink dress is there, be? You was going to wear that earlier?
Yeah.
You wear that when we go to the town.
Dr. Finger.
Brush it properly.
Daddy. You should do it. Should do. Hold on. Wait.
Why you take it up your hair tie?
Why your hair so messy?
Yeah, because you take it up your hair tie. That's why it's messy.
Yeah. Then I just...
You like my lipstick?
Yeah.
That's good. Is Mama pretty now?
Yeah.
Thank you.
You can reach something.
How about the other side?
Well, you have something on your eyes. It's like and more and behind
This
you.
side. This side? Okay, that's it. Open pa yung wardrobe kaya nagkuha ako ng damit na gapat ako mga kachika na wala na talaga mga kachika. Sumuko na talaga yung ano na to. Yung iPad ni Alina ayaw na mag-charge. Kaya pinalitan ko na ng papalit-palit na ako ng charger. Hindi talaga siya ayan. Wala na. Goodbye na talaga nito. Hindi ko alam kung anong problema nito. I think papatignan namin to pag makapunta nga kami ng Exeter. Siguro. Kasi doon namin to pinapatingnan eh. Dati din kasi din to na ganito din yung problema. Tapos pinatingnan lang namin doon. Grabing agtang ko ba? Yung charger lang. Pinalitan lang namin yung charger. Yun lang yung problema.
I wish my daddy's come back.
You wish your daddy come back. Tinatry ko din ibalik to. Tigas-tigas din naman nito ibalik. Sige na. Para matulog na kayo.
Daddy's come back.
Para mag-brush your teeth na. Ako magdidinner pa rin ako. Hindi pa ako nag-dinner eh.